Although it is possible, we do not recommend using a pad saw for socket detailing. The use of an electrical reciprocating tool with the jigsaw blade fitted or drywall cutter is both easier and faster to carry out. Once we have marked out for the socket cutout, drill a hole wide enough for the jigsaw blade to penetrate through the hole in all 4 corners. Both methods of cutting techniques provide a smooth finish and do not require additional trimming. Now we can fix the metal back box in place. Or use drywall boxes as an alternative. Circular cutting for pipes and other openings can be done by using a hole saw.